back to my channel, Life After 50 with Manx, where I'm vlogging on a weekly basis when I can remember and I've got time, but basically it's just life after 50, things that I get up to, and this video is all about making a birdhouse just out of old bits of wood, scraps of rubber from the rubber roof, you know, just using all the little bits, and just about to put the last pieces together, so hopefully you'll enjoy. So this is basically broken up. It was left by a tenant. I was going to salvage it, but I thought no. However, I've got these bits which I'm thinking, got an idea what we can do with this. And we've got some leftover rubber, and I've got a piece of plywood that came as a packaging piece. So I've got a few ideas what I can do. Now I'm just looking at the bits that I've got, looking at the size of the roof, and then trying to judge how big my base is going to be. Then I can cut these down, get them sanded, and I can start popping it on. Got a nice straight edge there, but need to sort this edge out here and this edge too, so I've got quite a bit to do. So now I'm just cutting down these battens, so I'm just going to make the base that goes round the bottom here, so I'm just getting rid of the ends because it's a bit untidy, making sure it's flush. So good morning, it's the following day. I didn't do much yesterday, however I did find these packaging strips in the house, and I thought, well, they're not dissimilar to what I had yesterday, so I'll probably still use them for various things, but I'm going to use this. It's cleaner, it's already made up. So I've got two bases. Not quite sure if I'll make two or not, but at the moment I'm just making the one. So I've got the base, I just need to cut these back down to size. So when it comes to the roof, I've got my two bits, and I'm just going to put a piece in here. I'm going to glue it and clamp it down, and then at 90 degrees. I'm going to glue that on, and I may very well just put some small screws in, so I've got a nice right angle in which I can create my triangle bits. So let's get gluing. This was some practice run, just to see whether I've got the angle right, and that should come down when it's under. Yeah, that'll do. So, this is how it's going to attach. So now I'm going to be painting, so I'm going to do it black and white to match the house. And Sincere Elco, absolutely brilliant paint. It's what we did the front of the house with, and the back of the house. So yeah, I would highly recommend this paint. I've used them before for exterior use. Quite nice doing it one-handed. With both hands. First coat, it's going to be black. I'm going to put the edge on the roof bit to be black, and underneath too. So this coat of paint on. There we go. See, I've not painted this bit. This is where the rubber roofing stuff will go. So, first coat. So there we go, and I'm going to roll it on just with some pressure. I can't find the roller that I should be doing it with, so I've just got a kid's Play-Doh one, but it'll be fine for what I need for this. It's just to give it that pressure. So this is what you'd do on your roof on your actual house. So I've got the bits on, and I've got some of the lead that we've taken off, some scraps. So what I'm going to do is use tin snips, and I am going to put some on the top merely for decoration and to cover this bit. This is just for support here, so let's see how we get on. So I've been using the lead beater to create little corner pieces here just to protect everything, and then I'm going to use the lead beater to just flatten all this lot. I was thinking about making a scalloped edge and I did a bit of a practice, but I thought maybe I'll just leave it. So once I've done that, I'm just going to use a bit of lead mate, so roofer's seal, and that will hold it on in place, and then we're ready to attach to the base I've already made with a couple of screws. And then when I'm happy with that, I'm just going to fill that with silicone, because silicone is dead easy to take off, and that will be, I think, the bird table finished. So as an afterthought, and I really wish I'd done it beforehand because I could have then tucked it underneath the lead, but I've already stuck it on with lead mate and it dried pretty quickly. So I basically made a template, made a scallop shape, and I'm going to see whether I can glue that all together and then stick it on to this bit in one piece. Let's have a go. So that's what it will look like. So that's just the one side. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. Definitely would have been better if I'd put the lead over the top. I mean, I could put some more over if I really wanted, but it's just going to make it unnecessarily heavy. But yeah, I like that. Let's get it glued.